We're on a little bit of a terrifying bridge. It's Trish does not like to see the rivers when she goes over it, and even I must admit that with the heavy flow of this water today, it's doing something to my vision.
Are you supposed to be faster once you get to sea level again?
No, this air is so heavy, so much oxygen, I can barely push it out of my lungs.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Oh yeah, I forgot I had them on. Oh wow, look at the colors. I don't know where she's going. There we got this. Oh yeah.
What? Like, why was I trying so hard to avoid that?
Are you a trail runner?
Yeah.
You run trails?
That was a really dumb decision to not just go through the thing in the first place.
Do your feet get wet sometimes?
Never. Another pair of Merrill shoes.
Those are some wet feet.